In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player in Disney Speedstorm Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Much like other racing games, you will be able to do two-player split screen in Disney Speedstorm on the Nintendo Switch or any other platform where this game is available. But you won't be able to access it the first time that you open the game. So first, you need to unlock local free play in order to do two-player races. The easiest and most straightforward way to unlock this is just going to be by playing this single player campaign. So go over to single player, choose the starter circuit, and make sure that you complete it. You will have to keep going and going, and eventually you will get a notification telling you that you now have access to multiplayer. So to keep it simple and not go into too much detail, all that you have to do to unlock local free play, aka multiplayer, is to complete the starter circuit. Eventually, once this is done, and you get your level as needed, you will be able to go over to multiplayer and choose the option from there. Now, keep in mind that for Nintendo Switch, you can only do two-player races, but on other platforms, you can do up to 4 split screen. Now, all that you have to do is connect the additional controllers to your Switch. If you still need to set up the controller, go back to the home screen, choose the controllers, settings at the bottom on the navigation bar, and in there you will get instructions on how to pair and set up new controllers. Assign one controller to player 1 and another controller to player 2, and after this is done, you will be good to go. By opening the game, going over to local free play and choosing two players, press any button on the secondary controller and both of you will be able to select the character, customize the vehicle, and so on. And now you can do split screen on Disney Speedstorm. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player in Disney Speedstorm on Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please remember to give it a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.